Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to design a simple logo in Canva. We'll walk through creating a clean, professional-looking logo using Canva's built-in templates, and I'll share tips to help your design look balanced and brand-ready. This is a great place to start if you're building a new business, refreshing your brand, or simply learning Canva design basics. Start on the Canva homepage and type logo into the search bar. You'll see a wide range of styles, from modern and minimalist to playful and vintage. Click a template that feels close to your brand's personality. Remember, templates are just starting points. You'll customize everything, so focus on overall layout and vibe rather than the exact colors or words you see right now. Taking a moment to browse different styles can help spark ideas and clarify the kind of brand identity you're aiming for. When you select a template, Canva opens the editor. Next, edit the text. Click any existing text box and type your brand or logo name. Keep it concise and legible. In the top toolbar, adjust the font size and color. Choose a typeface that aligns with your brand's tone. Sleek sans serifs feel modern, while serifs suggest tradition. Limit yourself to 1 or 2 complementary fonts to avoid clutter. Make sure your text remains clear at smaller sizes, since logos often appear tiny on social profiles or in footers. This is also a good stage to think about variations of your logo, such as a short version, initials, or a tagline if your brand uses one. Now add icons or graphics to support your name. On the left sidebar, click Elements and search for relevant symbols or shapes. Simple geometric icons usually scale better than detailed illustrations. Drag and drop your chosen graphic onto the canvas, then position it near your text. Try pairing an icon to the left of your brand name or above it to create a compact mark. If the icon feels too busy, reduce its complexity or size. Keep in mind that a successful logo stays recognizable even when scaled down, so simplicity is your friend here. Customize your layout and colors so everything feels cohesive. Resize and rotate elements with the corner handles and use Canva's snap guides to keep alignment neat. Aim for visual balance, similar spacing between elements, and a clear focal point. Update colors to match your brand palette. Strong contrast improves readability, especially between text and background. Test a single color version to ensure your logo remains recognizable in black and white or on dark and light backgrounds. This step is important because logos often get used on merchandise, watermarks, and different media where color options may be limited. When you're happy, it's time to save and download. Go to the upper right corner, click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for crisp results. If you plan to place the logo on different backgrounds, enable transparent background so you're not stuck with a white box behind your design. Pick the size you need and export. You may also want to download multiple versions, such as a full-color logo and a monochrome version, so you have options ready for future branding needs. That's it. Search a template, edit your text, add a simple icon, refine the layout and colors, and download your polished logo. With a few tweaks, you'll have a professional look ready to share. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more Canva tips, and let me know in the comments what kind of design tutorial you'd like to see next.